माननीय श्री महाराजा संजोबा लिविसमैन, hello, Lisamba,
Sir.
please.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, Pandit Nehru gifted away Kabaw Valley of Manipur to Imphal, Burma, now Myanmar, on 3rd March 1953, after having a meeting in Manipur with his counterpart, Mr. Unu, then Prime Minister of Burma. This valley is a very resourceful and fertile landmass of nearly 22,210 square kilometers, and it had been once a part of Manipur Kingdom from as early as 1450 AD. The given away of Kabaw Valley to Burma was the most unfortunate day in the history of Manipur because it was done without any prior approval of Indian Parliament or state endorsement or rectification. Moreover, Nehru completely ignored the terms and the conditions of the Treaty of Sanajaoba of 1826, and accordingly to Kabaw Valley, 1834, Burma agreed to pay a sum of rupees 500 Sikar rupees per month as compensation of Kabaw Valley to the then King of Manipur, Sri Gambhir Singh. The said amount had been paid to Manipur till 1949. After 1949, with the merger of Manipur to India, the same amount was paid to Government of India till around 1953. Without knowing all these historical backgrounds, Nehru gifted away this resourceful valley to Burma. Moreover, because of this historical blunder, Manipur will never forgive Nehru and his party Congress. Now the valley is no more with Manipur, India, and no compensation is received yet. So I earnestly urge upon the India government through this house to examine the feasibilities of returning Kabaw Valley to Manipur, India, or continuing
It's now question or
the payment of pending compensation
it's
to
over.
the government or Indian government.
Honorable Maharaj, it's over. Now it's a question hour.